Are you still making these back mistakes in 2025? If so, you're setting yourself up for pain, injuries, and slow progress. Most people don't realize how these small mistakes can ruin their posture, weaken their spine, and even lead to serious injuries. But don't worry, I'm here to fix that. Let's break down the biggest back mistakes people still make and how you can avoid them. Slouching, rounding your shoulders, and sitting all day? That's a recipe for disaster. Weak back muscles, chronic pain, and ineffective workouts are just the beginning. To fix it: 1. Keep your shoulders back and spine neutral. 2. Set a reminder to sit upright every 30 minutes. 3. Use a standing desk if possible. Bad form when lifting. That's a one-way ticket to injury. Common mistakes: crossmark, rounding your back; crossmark, using momentum instead of controlled movement; crossmark, lifting too heavy too soon. To fix it: checkmark, engage your core before lifting; checkmark, keep your back neutral, not rounded; checkmark, control the movement, no jerking or swinging. You train your back, but do you ever stretch it? Not stretching leads to stiffness, poor mobility, and an increased risk of injuries. You'll feel tight, weak, and limited in movement. To fix it: 1. Add 5 to 10 minutes of back mobility exercises daily. 2. Use yoga poses like cat-cow, cobra, and child's pose. 3. Foam roll your upper and lower back. Most people train their upper back but ignore their lower back. Big mistake. A weak lower back leads to poor posture, increased pain, and weaker lifts. To fix it: 1. Add exercises like hyperextensions, Romanian deadlifts, and bird dogs. 2. Strengthen your core to support your back. 3. Don't skip glute work, your back needs support. Overtraining or not training enough, both are bad for your back. Overtraining leads to strains, fatigue, and burnout. Undertraining leads to weakness, bad posture, and muscle loss. To fix it: checkmark, train your back 2 to 3 times a week. Checkmark, balance strength training with recovery. Checkmark, listen to your body. Pain does not equal gain. Now that you know the worst back mistakes, it's time to fix them. Which mistake are you guilty of? Comment below. Like this video if you found it helpful. Subscribe for more smart fitness tips. Turn on notifications so you never miss a new video.